Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Monzo application. If you want to create a new account for Monzo Bank, open the Monzo app first and then in the welcome screen, click on I am new to Monzo. On the next page, write down a valid email address for yourself that you want to sign up with and click join. On the next page, you'll be asked to check your email. Check your email inbox for a magic link to finish up your sign-up process. Inside your inbox, you'll receive an email from Monzo. Click on it and click on Login to Monzo app. Now, select your country where you live in. Answer some of the questions along the way. Write down your full name that matches your photo ID you must submit later on the next page. You'll then need to go ahead and select your birthday information and click Next. Now, on the next page, enter your postcode for your country or whatever is asked of you according to your location. After you do that, follow the instructions towards the end and then you will be able to create a new account for Monzo Bank. Just make sure all of your credentials are correct and while verifying your identity, make sure to upload the correct document. And with this, you will be able to complete the sign-up process for Monzo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.